Hi everyone, my name is Kiara Gunawardena, and today I'll be demonstrating my final prototype, Whalewise. Whalewise is a mobile application designed to enhance the whale watching experience by combining recent whale sightings with educational resources into one easy-to-use platform. Throughout this project, I redefined the prototype through two rounds of user testing, and today I'll walk you through the final design, highlighting its main features and some of the improvements made based on user feedback. So, as you can see from the first screen, it's a daily sightings log schedule. So here, gives a quick overview of the most recent whale sightings by displaying the date, time, whale species, and location for each sighting. The purpose is to let users quickly see the recent whale activity before exploring the rest of the application. And we also include a code entry button here so the users can lead to the next screen immediately. Um, so in this screen, we arrive at a welcome screen. The main feature here is the tour code entry. Users enter the code provided by the whale watching guide to unlock information relevant to the specific tour. This gives a more personalized experience and instead of displaying the same information to every user. So after my first round of user testing, the participants felt that combining the schedule that you saw before and this entry screen as well was felt a bit too cluttered and overwhelming. So I to improve this, I separated both screens and I made one screen for code entry, another screen separately for the schedule. So that it's much more clear for them to scan and immediately use as well. Then going on, after we enter the code, we come to the last whale scene section. So this is again another logging page where it displays the most recently sighted whale, including its information and specific location, etc. So this allows the users to immediately see the most relevant information for their specific whale watching tour. The bottom navigation bar, as you can see here, remains visible throughout the application, allowing users to quickly move between the main sections. User testing influences page a bit. The users found that the information was very large and overwhelming with a long paragraphs, etc. So I've split up into, as you can see, small sections over here. Moving on, we go to the Finding Whales page. Here, this page allows the users to browse the recent whale sightings in the area. So each sighting displays the whale species, where it was seen, how long ago it was spotted, and approximately how far away it is. The search bar at top of the page allows users to quickly find specific whales without scrolling through a full list. So during testing, users quite responded to this page very positively, so there are not many changes to make. However, the users did feel that there were too many pathways that were given before. So here I made one specific pathway that would be the best direction for the users to follow while they're on their tour. I also gave a migration button so they could go to the migration page over here and click on the map here because they got confused with the two different pages. So again, they can go back as well. Um, Going on, we go into the learning section. So here, this is an educational hub of the application. So instead of having many separate screens to this, I kept it into one page for anatomy, migration, communication, facts. So in this page, it is very important in this testing that we included the facts as well. Facts here mean the general whale information. Users from my users testing wanted to see the general whale information and not just the last whale seen. So I included it here in the learning section, a page where users tend to go the most. And that was also, again, a result from my user testing. So we're going to first go into the anatomy section. So here you can see that this is one diagram with multiple parts labeled, and also next to each part is a play button. So in this case, instead of having large text of information again, I gave them option to listen to the information of each part of the whale so they could learn about it and not have to look at their phone constantly. I've also included pathways to the other parts of the learning section. On the communication page. So here, the users can go and check out each whale and listen to the audiobooks on each whale and their information without having to, again, read large chunks of information. During my user testing, a lot of users responded positively to this and actually preferred this than having to read large blocks of text. Going on to the migration page. So here, the user can scroll through different types of whales and even search for a specific whale that they are looking for with images provided. So if you click on the whale, you'll come to this page, which is the whale pattern, whale migration patterns. So here, before the users weren't given as much as information, and this is what they wanted. They wanted a clear pathway of how they move and some simple information at the bottom for them to understand. Again, a direction to map just in case they get confused. We're trying to find their location instead. They're also given an option to scroll through different whales, different seasons, etc. Again, this is all a result of my user feedback test. Moving on, we got more information here. So the users can check out this information after they completed the whale watching tour. And again, this is also split up into multiple bullet points just in case you want to read this during the tour as well. Um, Going back, we can go to the facts page. Here, the user is given very simple, quick information, again in bullet points for them to immediately understand. They can scroll through different types of whales and just see general information overall, just in case they're looking for a specific whale. Um, Moving on, we are gonna go to the music section. Here in this page, users can scroll through different types of whales again. And however, this time I made sure to distinguish the difference between artist music and artist sounds. Whale sounds. So a lot of the time during my user testings, the users got confused between the artist music and the sounds and the raw natural sounds that whales make. So I made sure to have a page for that specifically over here. Um, Yes, and moving on, so if you click over here, we can immediately come to that page. So going back, this is the overall page here. The users felt more comfortable scrolling through, and they felt like they could do more scrolling than actually searching for each whale. I understand that there are not many albums for whale music overall. Continuing, if you press the sounds button, we come to the we come to this raw sounds page. So here again, it's the same design as the music page. We press the button and we come and we can listen to the music, to the sound of the whale. And again, it redirects to the music page. The user can, just in case the user got confused again. So here the user can scroll through different types of whale music and are given the whale album as similar to other music apps as well. And in every page, the user is directed right back to the home page. So that is the overall design of the app. If you're going to continue developing Whalewise off this course, I would like to again integrate live whale sighting data, GPS functionality, personalized trip logs, etc. So that is the overall project design. Thank you for watching my demonstration of Whalewise.